Today we're going to be talking about interpreting remainders. Let's start with our base question of Miss C is baking cookies. She wants 8 chocolate chips in each and has 149 total chips. We have our anchor chart, and it says that we can add it, drop it, or use it. It is the remainder. Let's look at the add it. It says take the quotient and add one more. Use this when everything or everyone has to fit and you can't leave anything out. What does that mean? Let's look. What question could we have for this if we have to use everything? We have our 149 total chips. So we can say, how many cookies can Miss C bake and use all of the chocolate chips? So we can say 149 divided by 8 is 18, remainder 5. You can look back at the other videos to see how I got to that. That 18 remainder 5, what does that mean? Let's see. It says take the quotient and add one more. So we have that 18, which means 18 total cookies that have 8 chips in it, and 5 that don't, 5 remaining chips. So we can take that 18, add that one more, and get that Miss C can bake 19 cookies and eat 19 cookies. So let's look at the drop it. It says use only the whole number as the answer. Use this when the question asks for full or whole items or when the item can't be split. So our question here could be something like, how many cookies can Miss C make that have 8 chocolate chips? Our 149 divided by 8 is still 18, remainder 5. And according to our drop it rules, we can use only the whole number as the answer. The whole number in this situation is 18, which means that Miss C can bake 18 cookies that have 8 chocolate chips each. Now let's look at the use it. It says use the remainder, not the whole number, as the answer. Use this when the question asks how much is left over or left out. Our question for this last one could be something like, if Miss C only makes cookies with 8 chocolate chips, how many chips are left over for her to eat? Our 149 divided by 8 is still 18, remainder 5. It says to use the remainder and not the whole number as the answer. So our whole number is 18. Our remainder is 5. So our answer is 5 chocolate chips. That means that there are 5 chocolate chips left over after she made cookies because she doesn't have 8 to make one more cookie. So 5 chocolate chips just are sitting around, probably going to be eaten by Miss C.